Any way you could do some lows real quick? Or does it not do lows real well?
It don't get super low.
Okay, yeah, don't worry about it.
Not yet. To be honest with you, I have an hour playtime on this stuff.
Oh yeah, you gotta let them loosen up.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Trying to be careful with it.
Yes, sir.
At the same time, have fun.
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
You don't realize this is how it looks for a crazy white guy in an orange shirt standing by a fence waving at the guy.
Maybe hungry Howie. I don't like pizza. You know I don't like. You know I don't like eating more pizza.
What? No.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
Sorry to bother you, I just wanted to hear it, man.
You're good, boss. You're good.
Oh, wow, this is deep. Is it a 4th quarter?
Yes, sir.
Nice. Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
Joe Gallagher. I got 12 DB-Drive G212s on 2 MD12Ks. I got a CS 370, CS 80 and 40 amp hour.
Wow.
I actually just downsized.
Oh, power-wise, or?
Yeah, I had 3 bass 15Ks and the DB-Drive 7Ks. Tore the truck up.
Too loud.
Too much.
Yeah. What did you meter-wise on when you had full power?
Full power on music is 62.2.
Hey.
Wow. All right.
All right. Let me see. Jam real quick.
So is it what is this, a 2 to 1 or 1 to?
It's a 2 to 1.5.
1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
All right. Before it just hurt.
It hurt. Yeah.
Yeah. So because I have this too.
Was it the same subs?
No, I had the DB-Drive 7Ks. 3 bass 15Ks.
Yeah. More motor force, more pressure, more power, everything. It didn't break this?
Oh yeah, that's my 4th windshield.
Jeez.
It's separating already for today.
What's this say?
Purple People Eater. Somebody gave me that name.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Then I got this too. This is mine. I got Sundown X's in it. Full eyes.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around. We got a Joe system he showcased at the Made of Steel show in 2021, Tampa, Florida area for location. Give him a like if you haven't already, as well as comment what you like about his system. I like the layout of his subs and to see how efficient he made his subwoofer space for his mount points. All of those subwoofers, 12-inch, were fit in a tight space to fit optimally across 3 ways. The name of his system, he said, was the Purple People Eater. I don't know why, but that's what he called it. And of course, 2 12Ks. I'm not sure if these are at half ohm or 1 ohm each. Didn't find out that information. It makes this a 24,000 watt RMS of amplifier power system on a total of 12 12-inch subwoofers. I looked up the specs of these subs, and it looks like they were rated at 1,250 watt RMS each. So the balance of the 24K watts with the balance of the 1,200 watt RMS subs is a pretty good match for this system. Didn't see a lot of a voltage drop as well, you'll see during the demo. So we're getting to the demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily videos coming your way every day, and enjoy.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
All right.
musical flat.
That's
fan
why.
where-
That's why
yeah,
I did it.
yeah.
Because before it just hurt.
It hurt.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So.
Awesome. Thanks for the demo, man.
Not a problem, bro.